Ever heard the term man leader? It doesn't even sound right. A leader is a leader, then why are women in leadership positions termed as women leader? The world is moving towards equality and currently women are behind professionally. But if you look at the households, women since always have been in leading roles. It's just that the roles that they take up to manage a house wasn't even compared equivalent to what people do in office. I would like to elaborate the traits that housewives carry, which can be a great asset to any organization or venture they would like to work in. A woman, after carefully analyzing the material needs in the house, procures the same in the decided budget and ensures proper utilization of resources, avoiding any wastage and keeping the best interest of the family in mind. She sure does have a team of family members to manage who provide her support and add to her workload at times. Sounds familiar to what one does at office, isn't it? So, a woman does all of the above even if she is a working professional, probably with an additional external help which she manages like a boss. Then why aren't all women leaders in the organization which are looking for equality in their respective workplaces? Or why haven't all of them started a venture of their own? Here, mindset plays an important role. A mindset to change the game and break through the barriers to progress is what it takes. Women who have always wanted to achieve a little more or intend to start working for themselves more than anyone else must develop determination, zeal, confidence, and the desire to achieve their full potential. Women in their true selves are collaborative, driven by emotional intelligence, honest, and clear in their communication, and definitely creative. They need not copy anyone to fit the role. Just a little observation and willingness to learn does wonders for them. Don't wait to be perfect for the role or perfectly qualified. Take the leap. Learning from mistakes makes you grow as an individual. Everyone must take the liberty to take decisions which will have risks involved. But failure isn't an opposite to success, it's a part of the journey to success. Acceptance to the fact that decisions taken might not lead to the desired path and taking onus of the same may make you discover new skills and give a boost to your confidence. Whether you want it or not, life itself is full of challenges. Every day is a new day. Then why not take up challenges which give you an identity and takes you one step closer to your goal each day? If you wish to start today, don't hesitate and reach out to us through comments or feel free to write to us at growwithus@amlearnings.com. We can help you develop a roadmap to your progressive life. I am Arpita, a legal professional and a mentor trainer for growth mindset. I come from a corporate background and have a decade of experience in people management with leading exchanges of India and a leading MNC to which I'm currently associated. If you like our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for regular updates.